What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So I just recorded my easy low carb keto friendly coffee recipe and I recorded it on my vlogging camera, and when I was watching the footage back, I did publish that video, so I'll link it up here, but when I was watching the footage back, I didn't really like it. So I brought down my actual camera and my lights, so hopefully this looks better, but this is a new YouTube channel, so I'm working out all the kinks. But if you're new here, my name is MadisonPayn and I'm a full-time blogger and Instagrammer, and like I said, I'm now a new YouTuber and I put out new videos every single day, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on anything. And in today's video, I have all this food in front of me, which makes me really happy. I am sharing with you guys 5 easy keto snacks. None of this requires cooking. You can just kind of grab it and go. I did a video maybe about a week ago on how I lost 40 pounds doing low carb. It's not exactly keto because I don't keep track of my fat, but the things that I eat on it are very keto friendly. So if you're doing keto, you can definitely eat all of this. The first type of snack there is obviously cheese. On a keto or low carb diet, you can obviously have a lot of meat and cheese. So I thought I would mention this first because it is kind of more of a basic snack, but you can have cheese sticks. These are actually 0 carbs. You still want to check your cheese because some of it does have carbs still. So this cheese sticks though from Walmart, this is the Great Value brand, have 0. I do also like the Baby Bells. They're just like really fun to eat. Who's with me? And these have 0 carbs as well. And sometimes I like to take sliced cheese. This also has 0 carbs. And I like to roll it up with some turkey or some ham, something that has low carbs on it. Make sure you check that, because some stuff does have extra things added into it. And then I do like a little bit of mustard and roll it up and have kind of like a turkey roll. So I honestly eat kind of a lot of cheese, which if you do that, just make sure you have plenty of fiber in your diet so you're going to the bathroom. TMI, but just being honest. So the second thing is I love to do pepperoni rolls. This is so random. I would have never thought about this before I started doing low carb, but you take a pepperoni, and these have 0 carbs, and you take the Philadelphia original cream cheese. This has less than 1 gram of carb and less than 1 gram of sugar. You get a spoon, get you a little cream cheese like this, and you just put it into a little roll. It was so good. I normally will make a whole little jar of them and just keep them in my fridge and just walk by and snack on them. They are, it's probably my favorite snack, honestly, for low carb. Okay, so the next thing is pickles. You can have like all the pickles your heart's desire. These little lunch hamburger dill pickles are only 1 gram of carbs for 10 slices. These kosher big slice ones are 1 gram of carb as well for 1 slice. We'll say 3/4 spear, so it might be a little bit more than 1 carb. And these, oh snap, dilly pickle bites are 2 grams of carb for the whole package. Normally, me and my mom get these on the road because my mom also is doing low carb, and we'll split them. So it ends up being about 1 carb per each of us. I'm a big pickle girl, I'm a salty girl, so this is really nice to be able to have something that you can munch on really quick. I eat pickles every single day. Okay, and the third thing is wisps. I guess this is also technically cheese. I didn't realize how much cheese there was in all of this, but welcome to keto and low carb. So this is basically a cheese cracker. These are the bacon ones, which taste pretty similar, like as close as you're gonna get on keto and low carb to like a barbecue chip. They're delicious, honestly. Sometimes I only buy 1 of these at a time because I will eat an entire bag. And there's 2 servings per container, and 1 serving size is only 2 grams of carbs. So you can eat a lot of these. I normally get the cheddar as well, and the secret is out on these with low carb and keto diets, so if you see these, you need to buy them up. Also, Costco will sell these in littler sizes, so if you're traveling, they're perfect for that. I always throw some in my suitcase to make sure I have a little bit of snack, but I love these. They have a bunch more flavors too. I just like these and the cheddar the best. And this is what they look like. They're just a little cheese cracker, and they are absolutely delicious. You can dip stuff with this. Sometimes I like to break these up and put these on top of salads, so you have something a little bit crunchy. Okay, and this last thing is great for those of you guys that have a sweet tooth on keto. That is one of the biggest complaints that I hear from other people. I don't have a huge sweet tooth, so I don't really struggle with that very much, but a lot of people end up quitting keto because their sweet craving gets out of control. So if you have a sweet tooth craving, I highly, highly recommend getting the Jello sugar-free cups. And I promise this is gonna get more interesting than just Jell-O. I do add a little something to it, but I like to get the strawberry or cherry as well as the black cherry. The black cherry is actually my favorite. I feel like this might be a newer flavor, but they are 0 carbs, 0 sugar, and they're only 10 calories. So these are amazing, and what I like to do with these, let's bust into one of them, is I like to add, also from Walmart, this is the Great Value brand, the sugar-free heavy whipped cream. You guys see where I'm going with this? And I like to just add it, a little swoop on top. Y'all, this is delicious. Maybe it's because I've been doing low carb for like 5 months and I think this is so good. But this is seriously delicious. And when you eat it, you just make sure your spoon gets a little bit of the whipped cream with a little piece of the Jell-O. So good. Okay, so that's it, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed this video on my 5 easy keto snacks, and give this video a thumbs up if you want more keto or low carb related videos. I know it is new year, new us, so if you guys want to see more videos like that, just give this one a thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe. Like I said, I'm putting out new videos every single day like a maniac, so make sure you subscribe to my channel and find me on Instagram at MadisonReedPayn. I post over there a ton, and until my next video, bye!